Hi, I'm Tom Eister, the owner of Angelo Dent Removal, and we specialize in paintless dent repair. Working on a Cadillac 2018 ATS. It's got a 3-inch dent here. Went actually through the body line, so we're going to have to correct the body line too. We also have a dent here at the top. We're going to go ahead and work those out. Let's go ahead and get started. Another flawless repair like it was never there. So if you do have damages that are in comparison to this, you can stop by to see if your car is a candidate for paintless dent repair. It generally takes about 30 to 45 minutes of repair time. Angelo Dent Removal would like to thank you for watching the video, and if you'd like to know more about paintless dent repair, feel free to leave us a comment in the comment section down below.